slow with explanations, okay? 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slow. Schaut you.
Von vorne.
Beweg dich.
Beweg dich.
So ready? We go here first, balancé, and 1, 2. I make power in my frame, and I go short, 3, and forward, and finish forward. With a connection on the thigh, and with my right hand, I'm going to go and stop 5. I have connection here, and my right hand is down, and this left is up. The left hand will hold the girl still, so it's important that we hold here power, and I'll just with the lower hand we go and 6, and 6. I pull and turn the leg inside and 6. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to tell the girl with the upper part, doing the leading here and here. So I was here, and now what I'm going to do is lead here, but without moving the hands, okay? So I'm like this. I'm going to tell the girl to go sideways. 7 and 8. Okay, again. With this part and this part, 7 and 8, and I make syncopation. While I make syncopation, I'm going to get my left hand out of there, 1 and 2, and go and block her from outside on the shoulder, because now we make 3, and on the 3 is not a break, it's really body weight between both legs, and we make very fast here in the shoulder and here in the hand, and 4. So I'm turning on my legs and body, and 4, and 4. And the girl doesn't know this, so I have to lead it. It's important when we lead this, don't be close to the girl, don't be like this. When you do and 4, go a little bit away and to her. Away, space, not here, and to her. And then on the 5, with the block that I'm having here, shoulder and hand, I'm going to send her sideways and close 5. And hold her here, release 6, the girl can do styling here, and on the 7 the guy goes 7, 8, and go in the frame 1. Menzaida, push the girl away, make connection 2. Leg up, 3, girls, you have the hand free now, you put it there, and now hand up, 4, and we close 5. On the 6, what do we do? Let's do this one more time. 1, 2, connection leg up, 3, left hand goes up, and we push a little bit with this and a little bit with this. 4, stop the girl on the belly, if not she's going to keep going across, and 5. We switch the hand, 6, switch. And we do 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, styling for the girl. It's important that I don't disturb her. And then I go 4, pre-leading to do the 5. 4, hand on the belly, hand on the shoulder, connection. And we tell her break 5. Now, after the break 5, we're going to fall on the left leg and left leg and do soft 6. And when you're here, the body is already there. Now I'm going to make syncopation 7 and 8 by pushing with this hand and with this hand here to the side. We're here, 7 and 8. And now from here, I'm going to move her gently forward with my frame, but also with my body, and make 1 and go down. How do we do this? We were here, sorry. We do 1, it's already backwards, it's not 1 like in bachata. We do 1, 2, you see, and the girl is following your body connection. And then we push with the hip very little, and we go up. So don't go with the hip a lot because you're behind the girl. And you're here, it's 4. On the 5, we step forward completely, 5. And now I send the girl with the right hand, 6. Push with the left hand, so I'm still on the left. And now I block her, 7. And I open a little bit space. Here on the arm. Don't try to catch the arm here because sometimes the girl go here. Here is better, you have it close to the body. And on the 8, we make styling. The girl makes 8, and the guy makes 8. Okay, so right, left, and the girl, keep her. Then we go to the side, 1 hand, 2, just connection, and now I take her free in the frame. I try to make connection here. It's better now turning. On the thigh, So I go up a little bit short and 4 and 4. Don't go and 4, and don't bring the girl too much with you up. Okay, don't lift her, just hold her close, and she's going to feel through the connection that you have here and the frame that you're building that you're going up. Good. Then the next thing, we're going to roll on the hip, so I'm going to turn out, in. Don't push too much with the leg, if not the girl is going to cross. How I'm doing this? With the right hand, I'm pushing, pulling, and very gentle with the leg. That's the key, so the girl doesn't cross. I accompany her motion with my leg. Just telling her, yeah, that's what you're doing it correct. That's what I want you. And then on the, we do 5, 6, syncopation 4, push the girl, 7 and 8. And that's it. Good music.
Just